Welcome back to another video. So today I've got a new polygel kit from SXC. So this is one of their latest releases and it's the SXC Lazy Girl series. $19.99 guys on UK Amazon. $19.99, it's so cheap. So Lazy Girl series makes me think it's going to be a series maybe. So let's see what it comes with. So it comes with this instruction booklet and it shows you everything you can do with it. So you can use the dual forms, it shows you how to do the Lazy Girl method, and then it shows you how to just apply the tips using the glue gel. It's quite a good leaflet actually. And it comes with this cute little unicorn sticker. Right, so this is the lamp that it comes with. I think this is a Sun X5, isn't it? So you've got your 10, your 30, your 60 and your 99 seconds low heat mode. Lots of lights all around the sides. It's got them in the roof, which I like. It's not got a base on this lamp. I don't use the base anyway. I always take mine off. Mine comes with a UK plug. So this is the Lazy Girl XXL full cover tips that it comes with. So you get stiletto and ballerina. 120, 12 of each size. These are really long guys. So these are the coffin ones. Look how long they are. But they're a beautiful shape. I love the shape of them, look. Beautiful, aren't they? And then this is the stiletto ones. Again, same length, same shape at the cuticle area, but obviously these are pointed like a stiletto. So long. I don't use them today. I use my own because they're just too long. Right, so it comes with a pack of goodies. Gold and silver leaf. You've got your dual forms. We've got striping tape, gold, silver, red, bronze, and then you've got your 100, 180 grit file. We've got some tweezers, and then we've got a little bag of cute gems. These are glass as well, AB. They are beautiful, aren't they? And then your brush, which is a spatula picker on one end, and it's pink. I love that. And then it's got a nice brush actually on this end. I used my own brush today because I've got loads already open. So it comes with a little pack of goodies. We've got a pot of gems, AB. They match the other ones, all different sizes. And then these butterflies, there's metallic, hollow, every colour in there, cute. And then we've got two little pots, a blue hollow and a white iridescent, small hex and fine. And then we've got a fine silver hollow and a fine pink iridescent. So it just comes with 3 polygels, a clear, a white and a pink. They are 30ml. It comes with the 8ml top and base. And that extend gel is to put them full cover tips on. And then it's got a bottle of this slip solution, look. I've never used slip solution in a bottle like this. I've always used the alcohol type slip solution. So I give that a try today as well. And it comes with a cuticle oil. Really thin, this cuticle oil. It rubs and dissolves away in seconds. I liked that actually. Right, so I'm going to be doing a little Lazy Girl method kind of set. I'm using my own tips. These are long, but they're just not as long as the ones that come in this kit. But they're the same shape, just not as long. So you need to get your file and etch the inside of these, or else they'll just pop off. So just etch the inside of all your tips. And I've already prepped my nails really when I took my last set off. So I'm just going to start by buffing off the shiny surface to my natural nails. Don't buff too hard, you just want to get that shine off. And I'm going to start by giving my nails a nice even thin coat of the base coat. Yeah, this kit, I actually won it. SXC they've been giving a polygel kit away every Friday for the last year, and I've tried to win one every Friday for the last year, and I finally won one. I won the bridal kit, but they didn't have it in stock, so they sent me this one instead. But I liked it, it's cute. Right, so I'm going to put my tip on my tip stand upside down, and I've pulled out these little white iridescent snowflakes from Charlie's Nail Art. I've got a 10% code for Charlie's as well, guys. It's always in my description box. So I'm just going to put the base coat inside this tip. Just completely cover that tip, and I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to leave that wet, and I'm going to put a couple of the snowflakes into that wet gel. Just press them down as hard as you can. get them to lay as flat as possible. And I'm going to use some of the white glitter that came in this kit. It's just a small hex and a fine iridescence, really pretty glitter actually. And I want to completely cover, this is going to be my pinky. I'm just going to completely cover this tip with the glitter. I wanted this nail to be completely covered with the glitter. And that's that nail done. I'm just going to leave that off to the side now and get on to the next one. So this is going to be my ring finger. Now on this one I didn't want to cover the whole nail with the glitter. I just want to do a bit of a glitter fade. So I'm just putting one of the... No, I've put two in, haven't I? No, I've put one in. I'm just putting one snowflake in the bottom of this. And I'm packing the glitter quite busy, quite a lot of glitter at the tip. And I'm just going to fade it off. Just fade it off up the nail. Yeah, I'm going to do... all the nails are going to pretty much be the same. Just using this same glitter. So that's that one done. Just check underneath that your fade's alright and there's no big gaps. And then put that off to the side. Right, so that's them. They've all been cured in the lamp, so all that glitter is set in place now. So I'm using the pink Polygel out of the kit. I'm going to do every nail the same colour. This pink's a beautiful colour. It's a really, really pale pink. I love it. So I'm using this slip solution that came in the kit. It just feels like a base coat to me. Like I said, I've seen people using base coat exactly like this. So I think it's something similar to a base coat. So I always put the Polygel really thin at the cuticle area. Nice and thin. You don't want it to be bulky up at that cuticle area. And then just pat and pull that Polygel down and fill that whole nail. Make sure you get it right up the sides. You don't want any gaps or any bits missing at the sides. And once you've completely covered it, you can get it put on your nail now. This method is so quick, so easy, guys. It really is beginner friendly. So I'm just going to press it gently onto my pinky. I'm not going to press too hard. Just press it gently onto your nail. Try not to touch your cuticle with it. Just leave a little, tiny little millimetre gap between the nail and your cuticle. Make sure it's straight. Make sure it's flat underneath as well. And if you get any that leaks out, just use a clean-up brush with a bit of alcohol and just wipe it away. Again, make sure it's straight, and then that's going to get cured for 60 seconds. And that's that one done. How easy is that? Right, I'm going to quickly show you doing one, maybe two more, and then I'll be back. They're all going to be pretty much the same as what I've just done. Right guys, that is them all done, all on. How cute are they? I just did a little glitter swoosh going up that middle finger instead of a fade. So I'm just going to file the edges, get them little notches off, and I just quickly file up the sides for any that might be sticking over. But I mostly concentrate on the cuticle area. I like to blend it in just a little bit more at the cuticle area. So you just see me, I just gently go over that cuticle area and round the sides like that, over the cuticle area. And that's pretty much it really with the file. And then once I've done all that, I'll go over with a buffer and completely remove all the shiny surface to these nail tips, ready to top coat. So I'm just spraying my nails now with a bit of alcohol, get a stiff brush and get rid of all that dust from down the sides of the nails and down your cuticles. Get rid of all that dust. How cute are they? Right, let's get these top coated and finished off. Right guys, that's them finished now. I'm just sticking a bit of this cuticle oil on. This cuticle oil is so thin. It just rubbed away within seconds, which I like. I don't like oil. Normally when I put a cuticle oil on, I have to get a kitchen towel and wipe it off once I've used it, because I hate that oily feeling. But this just rubs away to nothing. I like it. I prefer oils like this. Look, just showing you there, it's rubbed away already. Brilliant. But that's them finished guys. It's so quick, it's so easy. It's a really cheap kit, really beginner friendly. I'll leave the link in my description box. I think it's on US Amazon as well. It's on the SXC website. I've got a discount code which is for the website only. But that's it for today guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.